A strong retirement plan begins with smart investment choices. With market uncertainties and inflation on the rise, many investors are turning to precious metal, a time-tested strategy for protecting and growing wealth. If you are considering a gold IRA to safeguard your future, Investment Verities Inc. is a firm that has been guiding investors since 1973. With nearly 5 decades of experience, they have helped thousands of clients to build a secure and gold-backed retirement portfolios. Investment Verities Inc. is a leading name in the precious metal industry, specializing in gold and silver investment. The company offers a wide range of products from bullion coins to rare collectibles, helping investors to diversify their portfolios with tangible assets that hold a real value. Beyond just selling precious metal, Investment Verities Inc. provide educational resources, assuring that every investor, whether you are a new or experienced, understand the benefit and strategies behind gold and silver investing. Leadership and expertise. At the heart of Investment Verities Inc. is Jim Cook, the company founders and a long-term advocate for gold investing. Since launching the firm in 1973, he has reminded to dedicating helping investors to protect their wealth through precious metal ownership, supporting Cook's vision in the team of industry experts, including Tom Cloud and a re-owner precious metal specialist. Their combined experience assure that clients receive informed professional guidance at every step of investing journey. Investment Verities Inc. is built on trust, expertise, and long-term success, making them a reliable partner in this precious metal investing. Gold IRA service. Looking to add gold and silver to your retirement portfolio? Investment Verities in offers and seamless way to set up your gold IRA and tax advance investment that help and protect to saving from the market fluctuations. Step 1. Choose a self-directed IRA custodian. Step 2. Fund your account through a revolver or transfer from the existing retirement account. Select IRA's approved gold and silver product like American Gold Angels and Canadian Maple Leaf. Step 4 is secure your metal with secure IRS approved depository. Investment Verities Inc. partners with top tier IRA custodian to assure a compliance with IRS regulations, giving you peace of mind while growing your retirement wealth. Precious metal product offering. Investment Verities Inc. provide a diverse selection of precious metal, catering to both long-term investors and collectors. Their inventory include gold coins and parts, American Angels, Canadian Maple Leaf, and South African Canadian, and more. Silver coins and bars, high purity options of government and private mints, platinum and palladium product. For those looking to diversify beyond your gold and silver, rare and certified coins, numismatic pieces of collectors, and long-term value seekers. Whether you are a building and gold IRA or simply looking to invest in bullion, Investment Verities Inc. offers a top quality metal with a proven tag and record of performance, pricing, and transparency. When it comes to investing in transparency matters, Investment Verities Inc. assures a fair pricing by offering competitive premiums on gold and silver product, real-time spot pricing, so you always know the market value, secure assured shipping to protect your investment, clear IRA-related costs, including storage and custodial fees. Their commitment to honest pricing and customer-first service makes them a trusted name in this industry. With nearly 5 decades in business, Investment Verities Inc. has built a loyal customer base. Investors constantly face the company for expert investment guidelines targeted to individual gold, quality gold and silver product with excellent liquidity, reliable service and reputation for integrity. The company holds an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau (BBB) and has resolved all client concerns professionally, a testament and to their customer-first approach. In Investment Verities Inc., a trusted firm, absolutely. Investment Verities Inc. operate with transparency, integrity, and compliance. Their long-standing and industry-present individual resources and strong customer relationship set them apart of trustworthy investment partner with no major lawsuits and reputation for ethical business practices. Investment Verities Inc. remains a top choice for investors looking to diversify their protect and their wealth with precious metal. If you are ready to strengthen your retirement plan with a gold IRA or invest in precious metal, Investment Verities Inc. is here to help. Explore your option today. Visit their website or speak with their expert to learn more about gold and silver investing. Can provide a security for your future. Like, subscribe subscribe and comment for more expert insight on precious metal investing.